So our next example is fourth one. Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 and minus 2. Okay. So here, so we have to write 5 pairs such that a divided by is equal to minus 3. So what we can do is, we can have those pairs. So first pair was 6 divided by minus 2, that is minus 3. Again what we can do is 12 divided by 4, that is minus 4. So let us see 12 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Okay, so this will be minus 3. Okay, so one pair is 12 and minus 4. Okay, again what we can do is minus 12 divided by 4. So if we do minus 12 upon 4, 4 ones are 4 threes are. So this will be again minus 3. So that is minus 12 and 4. So two pairs we have got. Again, which we can take minus 6 divided by 2. Okay. So minus 6 upon 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So this will be what? Minus 3. So here minus 6 and 2. This is one more pair. So here we can write 1, 2 and 3. Fourth one, minus 18 divided by 6. So minus 18 upon 6, 6 ones are 6 threes are. So this will be minus 3. So minus 18 and 6. Okay, fifth one, we can have 18 divided by 6 minus 6. So 18 upon minus 6, 6 ones are 6 threes are. This will be minus 3. So 18 and minus 6. So here we are having about 5 pairs. Again we can have numerous pairs. Okay, for example, sixth one, 36 divided by minus 12. So 36 upon minus 12, 12 ones are 12 threes are. Okay, this is minus 3. Okay, again we can have 36, that is minus 36 divided by 12. So minus 36 divided by 12, 12 ones are 12 threes are. So this will be again minus 3. So you can have numerous pairs. So this is open-ended question and your answers may vary. Okay, so this was all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.